Good morning, dear children. I am here today to deal with the lesson Healthy Life written by Pedro Pablo Sacristan. So, Pedro Pablo Sacristan is an author of The Healthy Life. So, here is a morning walk mind map which is given as a cycling. So, very first, wake up early and walk. Morning dew, freshness in the air. We will wake up in the morning and we will enjoy the ಮುಂಜಾನೆಯ ಒಂದು ಗಾಳಿ ತಾಜಾ ಗಾಳಿಯನ್ನು ಸವಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಸೈಡ್ ಅ ರಿವರ್ ಕಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆರೆಯ ಅಥವಾ ನದಿಯ ದಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕೂಲಾಗಿ ಕಾಮಾಗಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು. ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಚೀಪಿಂಗ್. ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಚೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ವೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಸನ್ರೈಸ್, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಟ್ ಸನ್ರೈಸ್. ಕೀಪ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವೇ, these are the cycling to be healthy in this way. So we will move to the next page, page number 2. Step 2, look at the pictures and outline. With the teacher's help, prepare a passage and write it. You can start a paragraph like this. So here is given an example. I get up early in the morning. My friend Richard meets me. We go out for a walk. So the continuous you have to do the as a paragraph by using the mind map which has given in the page number 1. So I hope you all of you held the textbook in your hand. Then only we will understand this lesson. So page number 2, the healthy life. We will go to the lesson healthy life. Healthy life ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರವಾದ ಜೀವನ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So it is written by Pedro Pablo Sacristan. So I will read this lesson once. Observe the words and underline the words which words you feel difficult. So many years ago, everyone was strong and healthy. They ate varieties of food and loved fruits and vegetables. They took daily exercises and enjoyed walking, running, playing and leaping about. The earth was the healthiest place you could imagine, and it was clear that both adults and children were full of joy and were in good mood. All this made one of the witches furious. She suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. One who drank it would lose their desire to live. So that night all the witches gathered in the forest. They all needed to put all their energy to make potion which would have a powerful spell on people. During the collection of energy, one of the witches made a mistake in uttering the words. As a result, there was a big explosion. It was so big that it completely destroyed the forest. So some new words also have given. Furious, very angry. Potion means a liquid with the healing, magical or the poisonous properties. Spell means a form of a word or action used as a charm, magical effect. See, furious means very angry, ಕೋಪಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹದ್ದು. Potion means a liquid, so with helping the magical poisonous property. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ದ್ರವದ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪೋಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್, ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಚಾರ್ಮ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಮಂತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. My dears, if I ask you that what is your favorite food, which is your favorite food, means you may say pizza, burger. Nobody say I like vegetable, I like fruits, like that. I think very less children can say. Okay, so for the sake of that only we are spending more money for the hospitals. You know that nowadays we are spending more money because we are suffering from many diseases because of not eating healthy food. Is not it? So in olden days it was not like that. So the situation was totally opposite to present situation. So those days the people were having good health and they were very fit and healthy because they were having good food and also they were so fit. But nowadays we reserve money to the hospital for the sake of our many diseases. Okay, so in your houses also it may be there. So in this lesson we will learn what are the effects, what are the changes if we have the good food and bad food, we will learn in this lessons. The past paragraph, many years ago everyone was strong and healthy. Long ago the people were so strong. It means when we eat the good fruits and vegetable and the healthy food, we will be so healthy, right? So here also everyone were healthy and strong as they eat the fruits and vegetable. They loved to eat fruits and vegetable because they were that is why they are so healthy and strong. And they took daily exercises and enjoyed walking, running, playing, and leaping about. So they were so active in those days. They were so active, and they used to walking, running, playing, and leaping about. Leaping about means jigidaduantahadu. So everything was enjoyed by the olden people or the long ago. The people used to love the fruits and vegetables, so they were so healthy, and that is why they were so active. The earth was the healthiest place you could imagine. So earth is the suitable place for the human being to enjoy, right? So it was clear that adult and young children were full of joy and were in good moods. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು, ವಾಕಿಂಗ್, ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್, ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ about. Everyone was happy and active here. So one day what happened means, the second paragraph, all this made one of the witches furious. All this made ಜನಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಿಚಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡೆವಿಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪಿಶಾಚಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಮಾಟಗಾರ್ತಿಯರು ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದೇ ವರ್ ವೆರಿ ಫ್ಯೂರಿಯಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಂಗ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಜಲಸಿ ಅಂತಾನು ಕರೆಯಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿಚಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡೆವಿಲ್ ಥರ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಪಿಶಾಚಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ತುಂಬ ಫ್ಯೂರಿಯಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ she suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. So what they decided, so they were so furious means they very angry. It is there in your glossary, furious. Observe that word and underline. Furious means the one of the they are very angry. All this made one of the witches furious means angry. Furious means angry. Here we can take as jealous also. So when the people of the world used to be happy and healthy and fit, the witches were not bearing. That is why they had decided. So she suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. So what the all witches decided to come together, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು they have to prepare a potion. ಒಂದು ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಥರ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ದ್ರವದ ಥರ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಆ ದ್ರವದ ತಯಾರಿಕೆಯ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಡಿಸೈರ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್. ಸೊ ಹೂಎವರ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಲೂಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಡಿಸೈರ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್. ಡಿಸೈರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಸೆ. ಸೊ ಟು ಲೀವ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಬದುಕುವ ಆಸೆನೇ ಕಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅವರು ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪೋಷನ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ನೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವಿಚಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ವಿಚಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ and they all needed to put all their energy to make the potion. So ಅವರು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಬಂತು, ವಿಚ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಮಂತ್ರವನ್ನು ಜಪಿಸುವಂತಹದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪೋಷನ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಂತ್ರವನ್ನು ಜಪಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಿಚಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಅಟರಿಂಗ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ದಟ್ word. Uttering the words means by while saying the words or while reading the words. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಥರ ವರ್ಡ್ಗಳು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಸೊ ಮಂತ್ರ ಪಠನೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಜಪಿಸುವಂತಹ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಿಚಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ happened, there was a big explosion means ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಫೋಟವೇ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಬಿಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಫೋಟ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಒನ್ ವಿಚಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ವೈಲ್ ಅಟರಿಂಗ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಷನ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್